is Ice-mageddon 2022. Stay tuned. One, two, three, go. No.
This time I'm throwing caution to the wind. I'll blame it on myself.
Oh, Bo, is it? Oh, good boy. Let's go. Wow, what a great film star you are, Bo.
Why am I taken so much by your face? This is a dangerous
Good boy.
and either way I've fallen hard. Maybe it's not written in the stars, or is it ours to take what's
Are we watching the Winter Olympics together today, buddy?
Where'd Bo go?
sirens going off in my head?
There he is.
Did you like that, Bo?
I've got sirens going off in my
So guys, today I was supposed to be working on my house a little bit later today, and so it's actually Friday, and yesterday and today work was closed for the snow, which is kind of crazy because that doesn't usually happen in Kentucky. So it's really kind of beautiful out here, and I just wanted to show you what I ended up doing with my day instead of painting, which hopefully I'll get to painting tomorrow and get all of that done this weekend. But you know, sometimes you just gotta stay in because the Winter Olympics are on. It's the opening day, and that's exciting, and it's snowing outside at the same time. So the forecast called for, what, Kaylin, a half an inch of ice?
Something like that.
Probably, and it ended up barely icing and then sleeting and then snowing on top of it. So we're gonna try to go out and drive today and see if we get in a car wreck. Yikes, so there is ice. Kaylin's upset because we have to go to my house to turn off the water faucet, and he's really nervy about driving in the snow because he's from Kentucky. I'm from Pennsylvania, so I wouldn't understand, but he doesn't get how to drive in the snow, right, Kaylin?
Right.
I know. Are you a wimp about it?
Such a wimp.
I know. We all know. Yeah, you get that snow off there. So as we can see, the weather man was right, because there actually is ice under this. Like probably a fourth of an inch. That's what they called for as the least amount. So don't give me that face. Yeah, okay, whatever. Ah! Alright, hold on. Give me this. Yeah, give it to me.
You don't deserve it.
No, give it to me. Give it to me. No! Give it to me now! No! Oh! That is rough. I don't think it's coming off. Wow, it's not coming off, is it?
I can't get enough. Why am I taken so much by your face?
Guys, that was really the sleep that got off.
And either way, I've fallen hard. Maybe it's not written in the stars, or is it ours?
Why you heat up the car while you're doing this?
Kaylin, are you upsetty?
So upsetting.
Upsetty spaghetti?
So upsetting.
I know. What did you want to do today?
Sit inside, play video games.
Don't worry, guys. We'll do that as soon as we go on our little drive. See, that's the problem with Kentucky. We rarely get snow, but we always get ice. So we're always screwed. All right, moment of truth. Are we sliding yet?
Not yet.
I really don't think it's that bad. Seems to be fine. Okay, stop really fast, Kaylin. That's how you can test if it's icy or not. It's the only way.
Maybe if you stomp on my brake, it will slow.
You're being a weenie. Stop being a weenie.
This is why you're not driving.
Okay. See that? That's not ice. So, see, Kaylin, you're just being a huge weenie. Guys, it's not that bad.
We were sliding there.
I didn't feel anything.
Stepped on.
Okay, I don't like this.
Give me an indicator.
An indicator that you're sliding? Oh, wow. Fancy car. I don't know. It's like not that bad. They predicted it was going to be way worse.
I think with the powdered snow on top, but once people start driving on it, it'll make it icy.
Yeah, you might be right.
I am.
Oh, are you always right? Yeah, we know. You think that. No, don't be a weenie. Come on. It's going to be like sledding.
We go up.
Really, Kaylin? Seriously? This is very anticlimactic.
I don't know what you're expecting
I was
to do with
expecting
my
us
car.
to slide all over the place, and we're not even sliding.
Never knew someone to hope that.
I didn't hope it, but
You did.
I mean, I did have work canceled today, so.
Well, let's just say the highways are probably fine right now. School probably didn't need to be canceled or work.
Well,
But it is pretty.
it is. Everyone in Kentucky doesn't know how to handle weather because they always predict it wrong.
Just sliding there. Fish tail.
Do you think we can make it to the house today?
Oh,
Do you want to play video games?
I do.
Yep.
Do you want to go to the house now?
No, I'm not in my painting clothes. Alright guys, that's it. We were gone for hours. Not. Ooh. Yeah, it's frozen. Sorry, Bob. We'll see you in a minute. Bye. See ya. Bye. Together. Whoa. Oh my gosh. Alright, throw a snowball on him. Go, go, go. Oh.
There are many things that I am yet to see. So my witness that just
Wait.
can't believe it.
Okay, wait.
It
Go,
all works
go,
out.
go. Ah! Do it again.
It sometimes doesn't go to plan. Don't ride
Yeah,
a bus
get
and you
on.
get stuck in the sand.
Okay, he's freaking out.
Look
Look, he's right. Oh my gosh. Wow.
Find a way somehow. No first instance in my seat, calling my friend. That's why
Oh, was this a good snow day for you? Tell us.
It all works out for the better in the end. That's why
Ready, guys?
we're always
Ready? That was so cold.
This means we'll have to live or learn. Find out from the tactics
Oh, get on.
we always plan.
Kaylin, come here so I can put snow on your head. Come here.
Not always clear as you thought to be.
Oh wow! Come on, Boo! Come! Come here! He thinks you're Tucker. Run after him. Get him. Get him. It's cold. Why is it get so close now? Don't you think it gets really close?
Always says that.
Okay, Kaylin, so what are we gonna do for the rest of our snow day?
Play video games.
And
Play more video games.
watch the Winter Olympics!
Yeah.
And what drink are we gonna have today? Should we have hot chocolate?
Coffee.
Hot chocolate or tea? Okay, so comment below what you guys like to do on your snow days. Kaylin, do you have anything else to say? Great. Have a great day, guys. Hind.
Say uncle. Say uncle.
Say uncle. Oh. Get him. Oh.